Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Wise business account for freelancers. So first, go to wise.com/business and click register. After that, you will choose business instead of personal, and you will enter your legal name and business type. For example, a freelancer or sole proprietor. And then upload the required documents such as a valid ID and proof of business. Wise will review your submission within 1 to 3 days. Once you will verified, logged in and start creating currency balances. You can generate USD, EUR, GBP, and other accounts under one dashboard. Receive payments globally from clients and marketplaces. Send money internationally with low fees and real exchange rates. You can also request a Wise debit card if available in your country. Use the account to receive PayPal, Stripe, or Fiverr earnings. This is great for freelancers working with clients worldwide. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.